Hello everyone, as you can see this is the Microsoft Azure portal, and the steps that I took to complete this project were SQL Server, SQL Database, App Service, Data Factory, Storage Account, Resource Group. I required all of them to complete my project. I deployed my web application on a cloud application platform, that is Render, and as you can see the deployment was successful. Then here is the URL to access the web app. As you can see, you can go here and access the web app. Right now I'm going to run it locally just to show you that everything works perfectly fine, just in case of any error. So we got an URL. Now we'll come here. You can first get a very happening welcome message and a nice short description of the project. Now I will register myself. Let's say my first name is Jerry, password is Jerry, my first name is Tom, my last name is Jerry, and Jerry at tom.com, tomorrow.com. Okay, now I can click on register. You will be coming on the home page where you can see welcome Tom Jerry and the email. This is pretty nice. I can also click on log out, then I will come on the main page again. Now I will decide to log in. Let's try another user. If you want to, you can try multiple users, create multiple accounts. Now I'm going to log in. If you want to click here, you can again come here and register here. If you are not yet registered, if it says that login failed, that means you're a new user and you have to go here and register here. I'll click on login. Now here, as you can see, we have three buttons. Let's explore the first one, where you can see all the dashboard graphs and accuracy. So I perform the basket analysis where I get the accuracy of 100%, and at the same time I have all the relevant graphs which were pertaining to our given data sets. Then I also perform churn prediction and I get an accuracy of 100%. This is again pertaining to my all the data sets which were given to us. And finally we get a very quick insights dashboard. This is again based on the CSV files that were given to us, which were households, transactions and products.csv. At the end there is a button which takes you to the main menu. Then there is a search data option. You can click on search data. Here you can see a quick note which says that all the requirements were satisfied again, and you can sort the data which SHHD num, and there is a nice hovering effect which you will get later. And at the same time, as we are expected to like get the data of our household 10 initially, this is what it comes with. There is all the data. You will find all the data that will keep going. Now let's say if I want to sort my data with respect to a particular option, I'll say 151. I can do a search and the data will get sorted in an ascending order for household number 1. Then you can return to the main menu. Same goes with upload new data file. You can come here, you can go and select which of the transactions, households or products, which category you want to. Then you can just select one category, you can choose file and then upload the data, and then it will work exactly fine as is. At the same time, there is a return to the main menu option button here also. You can click here, you can just come on the main page, then you can just press log out if you want to. And at the same time, I'm also able to display the email address of the user, which is tomjerry@cartoon.com. This was for Tom, and the user ID, which is Tom. This was for the user Tom. The one user that we created was Jerry. So let me show you it works for that one also. As you can see, this password failed because I don't remember what the password was. So login failed. It comes with please check your credentials and Tom again. So let's just create an account again, and let's just try to come up with a simple password. Let's say Tom, my first name is Jerry, my last name is Tom, Jerry at tom.com, and let's keep this as cartoon so we can differentiate later. I will say register, not now. I'll log out. I will do login. The user ID was cartoon. The reason I changed it from Jerry to cartoon, you will see it now. The password is Tom. I will do login. Yep, here it is. Because I did it cartoon because I did not want Jerry to happen and confuse you. So you can clearly see the user ID is cartoon, which we entered. The email that we entered was jerry@tom.com. Here is the first name and last name. And the main reason I got that error message because I wanted to show you that in case if user enters some username and password which is not being in the database, it will nicely tell you that the login doesn't exist for that and you need to create an account. So all the requirements of the projects were satisfied, and I am expecting full points in this project. Thank you.